In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Hostinger. If you want to make your Hostinger dashboard easier to understand and more comfortable to use, changing the language is a quick setting you can adjust in just a moment. This is especially helpful if you prefer navigating websites in your native language or simply want a clearer experience while managing your account and website tools. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, give the page a second to fully load so all menu options are visible and easy to access. You'll want to make sure you're on the main account area where your profile and settings can be found. After that, look for your profile section. This is typically located in the upper area of the dashboard, and it's where you can manage personal account preferences and other settings related to your Hostinger experience. Click on your profile to open the available options. In the Profile menu, find the language setting and click on it. This is the section that controls the display language for your Hostinger interface. Once you open it, you should see a list of available languages that you can choose from. At this point, feel free to select the language you prefer. Take a moment to choose the one that will be most comfortable for you when working inside the platform. As soon as you select it, the interface may update right away, or it may take a moment for the change to apply. If needed, wait briefly for the dashboard to refresh, so you can confirm the new language has been set successfully. If the language doesn't appear to change immediately, try refreshing the page manually. In some cases, a simple reload helps the platform display the updated setting correctly. Also, be sure you selected the correct option from the list before exiting the menu, and that's it. Once your preferred language is selected, you can continue using Hostinger with a more personalized and user-friendly interface. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you use the dashboard often or manage multiple hosting tasks regularly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you change the language in your Hostinger account quickly and easily.